Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 23rd, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. It was a very, very quiet day, low range, low volume, but by the end of it, we did see fresh new highs. The Dow was higher by 96 points. The S&P 500 higher by about 2.5. The NASDAQ gaining 20 points, and the Russell 2000 was higher by just 2 points. The bond market finished slightly lower, and the yield on the 10-year note settled at 1.929%. Crude oil just slightly higher, about 21 cents, and gold was higher by 8.5 points, or 0.57% today. The dollar finishing pretty much flat on the day. Bit of news today: Boeing has replaced David Muilenberg as CEO. David Calhoun will take over. He's a board member. He's been a board member for the last 10 years. And as you know, Boeing has been struggling ever since those two fatal crashes of the 737 MAX. The board believes that David Calhoun is the man to turn things around. The market liked it. Boeing higher by $9.55 today, or 2.91%. We'll see if that continues. Now, remember, tomorrow it's an early close. It is Christmas Eve, and the markets will close at 1 p.m. Eastern. Wednesday, of course, the market will be closed for the Christmas Day holiday and reopen on Thursday, December 26th. So on behalf of myself and everyone else here at Trading Winds, want to wish you all happy holidays. All the best to you and your family. Take some time off. Enjoy the time with friends and family. And we'll see you later in the week. All right? All the best. Take care.